Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Property Management 101, and today I'll be discussing best practices for situations where a new property manager is replacing one. If you have not already done so, please watch my disclosure video as well as my why I do this video. And if you found this video helpful and learned something new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. This video will apply best for anyone that is training a new manager that is taking over for a property manager, or that you have accepted a position where you're replacing a previous manager. This will apply to any demographic or asset type. I know you may be asking, isn't there always going to be a manager that's replacing another one? In most situations you are correct, but there's a lot that isn't the case. For example, here are two. If you work on the single family management side and you've been hired by a management company, you may be brought on to manage a portfolio or group of assets that the portfolio has been expanding, so they're needing to hire more managers. So it may be a situation you're not replacing one, but you're being added onto a group of managers that is seeing the portfolio slowly grow. Another example could be if it's a new construction situation where they never had a property manager before, as it's a new asset. This could be another situation where you may not be replacing a property manager. Now, the first thing to keep in mind in good practice when replacing a property manager is listen to the staff. Oftentimes when you're replacing a property manager, the staff tend to be a lot more open initially than you may see after working with them a few months. Ask a lot of questions and allow them to tell you what they think could be improved upon regarding the site, and this may allow you to have a really good starting point to know what projects to work on first. Number two best practice to keep in mind is set good expectations. You want to be clear, concise with your goals and standards for the property. Start very early on with sharing your standards and goals with your staff. Sharing this both by your actions and with your words will be very important. And the last thing to keep in mind when replacing a property manager, be a strong leader. Using the 3 C's with your role will be very important with everything you say and everything you perform as the new manager. You want to be confident, you want to bring clarity, and you want to hold good credibility. Your staff will often look to you to take actions first regarding trainings and regarding support. Being that strong leader will be very helpful for your staff in those situations, and this will be important in the long term to really ensure you have a strong relationship with your staff. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. If so, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. And if you have any questions about this video or any of my videos, feel free to comment. I'll be happy to address them for you. Happy leasing!